lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these.
Hello everyone, welcome to part 1 of the paint job. Let's transform the Zoey figure at home. Start by cleaning it with soapy water, gently scrubbing, rinsing, and drying for 1 to 2 hours. Then apply 2 to 3 coats of Krylon primer, drying 30 to 60 minutes between coats, and detail with a 0 to 2 brush for eyes and folds. Finish with a 4 to 6 brush for base coating skin and white gold, and seal with 2 to 3 varnish coats, drying 30 minutes between each, curing for 24 hours.
Let's start designing my Zoey photocard, 55mm by 85 with her photo and signature. I'll add bleed edges for a clean cut later. Done, the design's ready for printing.
Now, let's print on thick cardstock, 250 to 350 gigasems for durability.
Next, post-processing. At home, I use a cutting machine for precise cuts, follow the lines from the design phase. Done. Smooth edges, no burrs, ready for packaging. Finally, packaging. At home, I insert cards randomly into silver bags for surprise. Sealed, now it's ready to go in the blind box. Start the design phase. I'll create the front with the idol selfie and the back with the logo and signature, 55mm by 85mm. Done. Bleed edges added for clean cuts. Post-processing. Cutting each card precisely. Smooth edges, ready to package.
Finally, packaging. Wrapping in silver bags for surprise. Sealed, ready for the blind box. Next, cutting and forming. Safely shaping bags with heat seal margins. Pouch is ready for the figure. Now, inserting the figure. Safely sealing with heat for opacity. Sealed tight, surprise secured. Finally, checking. Safely ensuring no bubbles or leaks. Perfect seal, ready for the blind box. Printing with material. Printing the logo and cherry blossoms on foil. Patterns ready. Next, cutting and forming. Shaping bags with heat seal margins safely. Pouch is ready for the figure. Now, inserting the figure. Sealing with heat for opacity safely. Sealed tight, surprise secured. Finally, checking, ensuring no bubbles or leaks safely. Perfect seal, ready for the blind box. Creating hexagonal die line with images and text. Template ready for printing. Cutting and folding. Die cutter scores precise lines for hexagonal shape. Box formed, glue tabs aligned. Assembly time, sealing for blind draw excitement. Box complete, surprise inside. Template ready for printing.
Printing, using thick cardboard on offset machine with foil for premium shine. Sheets dry in 1 to 2 hours, ready for cutting.
Cutting and folding. Die cutter scores lines for precise hexagonal shape. Glued and pressed, perfect alignment.
Assemble. Safely placing wrapper and cards inside. Sealed perfectly, mystery locked in. Assemble. Safely placing wrapper and cards inside.
Sealed perfectly, mystery locked in. Thanks for joining this educational blind box journey. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share my channel. See you next time.